उदे देवीचा गोंधळ. Wow, what a wonderful performance. That left everyone speechless.
नाचतो या धनगर हो, नाचतो या धनगर, डोंगराच्या माथ्यावर धनगराचं माहेर. नाचतो या धनगर हो, नाचतो या धनगर. Myself Ujjwal Chowgule
And me, Arya Kashet. Is it Dhangar?
yes, this song is Dhangar. Dhangar is known for their skills in agriculture and animal husbandry, having a history steeped into resilience and pride of their culture.
Did you know the word Dhangar comes from a Sanskrit word Dhenu, meaning cow, symbolizing their close connection with their livestock and their glorious culture.
The most beautiful aspects of the Dhangar community is the love for music and dance. They show their devotion to their deities like Khandoba and Mahalakshmi through vibrant folk performances.
So everyone is eager to immerse into music, lights and joy at this Bahurungi Maharashtra. So to make this moment more colorful, let's welcome the students to perform an energetic song Dhangar.
खंडोबाच्या नावानं सांग भलं, बिरोबाच्या नावानं सांग भलं.
कष्टाला आम्ही सरू जगाला, आम्ही सरू जगाला. अरे ढोल